I got one of the bags on my dream list. Lovies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Ford. I'm a wife, mom, content creator based out of Birmingham, Alabama. But say it with me, she's a Niger babe. Nigerian born. My channel is all things fashion, beauty, travel, entrepreneurship, and luxury. And today we have a very special show because I got one of the bags on my dream list. Woo! Okay. Let me start off by saying I apologize. I've been gone. I have been gone with the wind for a little bit. I was on a television show that has already finished. Season 2, we're about to start filming. It's called Belle Collective. If you have not watched it, it is on HBO as well as on YouTube. Y'all, there's a fly in here, so please forgive me. My boys left my garage door open. But yeah, I know you guys say I talk too much, but yes, your girl has been busy and I've been traveling, seeing the world with my family, but I'm finally glad to be able to sit down and shoot an actual video with you guys because it's been a minute. And today, like I said, I got one of the quarter bags on my list. I actually bought it February of this year when I went to Fashion Week. That Fashion Week video has not come out, but it will come out closer to Fashion Week in September because I waited too late. You know how it works. So in February, I went to Fashion Week. I'm going to put some clips up top. And I was there by myself for the very first time. I went with an agency, but I did not have my sister, my friends, nobody. I was there alone. And so it just was an experience. Let me just pause right here. If you're not following this channel, what are you doing? Go ahead and click subscribe. Click the bell notification so you'll be notified when I come out with a new video. But while I was in New York, I got my man to get me a bag, okay? A Bagiana. And you guys, I don't know if you know, but I was in the market for a new house. We had to put that to the side because our house wasn't selling. We could not find a house we loved. So we actually set that to the side. And next year we will start on that process again. So I treated myself to a bag. It is one of the bags on my wish list. And no, it is not a Birkin, but let's go ahead and unbox her. I ended up going to Fashionphile while I was in New York. You guys know I love Fashionphile. It's one of my favorite places to go. They're also opening one up in Atlanta. And please believe, I will. I'll be there. I'll be there. So this is her. You guys know the Fashionphile box. She's already been unboxed. Let's go ahead and open her together because my YouTube family has not seen it yet. And that's crazy that you guys are the last to see it. But if you're not following me on all my other social media platforms, it is Fumi Ford across all platforms. So go ahead and follow there because I usually post there a little bit quicker. But this is, oh girl, you better unbox yourself. You better strip for Jesus. Not for Jesus, God forgive me. Strip for me. Strip for Drake, okay? This is her. Like, I didn't want to beleaguer it, but this is her and her gorgeous self. She is in the color, let me pull up the specs on her before I start lying. It's in the color camel, and it's almost like the Hermes gold, that gorgeous brown color. Let me bring it close so you guys can really see the color. She has gold hardware, which I love. So the color camel with gold hardware. Of course, she has feet as well, which we love a four-footed queen, okay? I was absolutely obsessed with this bag when I got it. Let's talk about some of the specs. She is a Courchevel. I'm not French, so take it up with your mama. She's a Courchevel Kelly Cellier 32 Tabac Camel. I ended up getting her for under, let's not go into the price, but she was a really, really great price. She is such a gorgeous, gorgeous girl. I'm going to bring her closer so that you guys can see the stitching. At the stitching on this beautiful, beautiful bag. This is such a gorgeous color. She did have some call outs. That's why I was able to get her at such a great price. Just this little call out right here. And then I think in the front, there was another little call out. Not sure where she is, but there's a tiny little call out, maybe here. Of course, she is pre-loved, so there's a little bit of scuff mark on the hardware, which I don't mind. But other than that, that was pretty much it. I will say on the strap, there's another little call out right here. But other than that, that is her. She is absolutely gorgeous. You see the Hermes stamped in gold. Of course, like I said, a little scratches on the hardware. Did come with her crossbody straps. This is her interior. I have spilled a little something, so I will clean it up. She has two little pockets right here, as well as a zippered compartment right here. The zipper compartment looks like it has a little suede. Again, she's a 32. She's a little bit bigger than what I would normally like because I like small bags. But she was just such a great price, and it's such a great condition, and the color I love that I was like, let me just get this, and then I can work on getting a smaller size later on. And this is the little crossbody strap. She's not that long, so you're not going to be able to like wear her unless you're like very, very, very skinny. The straps actually go here, if I'm correct. If I'm not, definitely go ahead and let me know. This is my first big girl Hermes bag, so I'm not sure. But this is her. She does not really fit like a crossbody. The thing I will say about the Kelly is that the straps stay up, and I don't really like that. Like, you cannot fold the straps down. They're up. And this is her as a crossbody. She's very cute. She fits pretty well as a crossbody. I thought she would be kind of bulky, but I don't mind it as a crossbody. You know, with winter coat, pants, a button down underneath, just walking through New York. Perfect. Or Birmingham. I also ended up getting a twillie for her. Let's go ahead and find that. And she is just such a gorgeous twillie. I got it in this beautiful green color. She has a lot of different colors. I thought it would be perfect for the bag. The color to me is just so scrumptious against this camel color. It's absolutely perfection. We're just gonna wrap it around, y'all. I'm not an SA. I am not good at this. When I ordered it, I asked them to, well, when I bought it, they had to ship it to me because it wasn't at the New York location. They were going to ship it to me, but then they ended up shipping it to the New York location instead of to me. So then the New York location had to end up sending it back to me. And I remember I asked him, hey, can you tie the twillie for me? And he tied it, and he sent me a picture. I'll put a picture to the side. And then I was like, well, can you just send it with the twillie tied? And he was like, well, I'm going to have to untie it. You're going to have to tie it yourself because the twillie comes in a box. We have to send everything separate. So I have now tied it myself. And look how gorgeous she is. Like, she is just a doll. She's a doll. She's gorgeous. I can see myself wearing this again. I would wear this so casually with like jeans and a white button down and some sandals, my Hermes sandals. I could wear this and dress it up with like a suit, like wearing this to work with like a pantsuit, a green pantsuit, a cream pantsuit, a red pantsuit. Like, this is just such an easy bag because it's not small. To me, it is not a nighttime bag. Let me say this again. I don't think a lot of the Birkins and Hermes bags are nighttime bags. I know you guys like to wear it to the club. I know you guys like to wear it to dinner. I know you guys like to wear it to fancy galas. No, baby. It is not a nighttime bag. Now, let's say you get a Kelly Swift, or let's say you get a mini Kelly, or like cute little mini bags. Yeah, or like a clutch. Perfect. But this is not an evening bag. Say it with me. This is not an evening bag. It is a daytime bag and maybe an office bag, but she definitely is not going out with me on dates. I think I'm gonna name her Lady C, and she is the newest addition to our closet. Now, my closet is under renovation. Like I said, I was trying to sell the house, so I packed up a lot of my bags and they are in storage. So she probably is gonna go in storage as well. But I absolutely love her. I think I'm gonna take her to Hermes in Atlanta and get them to clean her for me, especially the inside. and polish her up a little bit, and then I'll start wearing her even more. When it comes to styling your Kelly, what are ways that you would style it? Do you like the Kelly 32? Is it too big for you, or is it perfect? And then if you could get a Kelly, what color and what size would you get? This video is very short. I know that I'm trying to stick my foot back in the water of creating long form. I'll have another video coming up soon with my haul from Ghana when I went in June, so stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click the subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of our growing family. If you're not following me on all my other social media platforms, it is Fumi Ford across all platforms. All right, I'll see you next time. Love you, mean it. Bye.